A challenge for any knowledge graph is handling information often contradictory from different data sources. A warehouse apparently solves this using an ETL process, but unfortunately the transformation often damages the source data and certainly loses the provenance of that data. In quorum360, the knowledge graph knows how to handle such contradictory information from different sources. We can see this. Here is the quorum360 user interface. On the left I have my navigator. I expand employees, and let's have a look at the list of employees. As I pull the lists up, I want to refer to these at the bottom. Let's drill down a little bit, go down a little bit further. In this column we see employee salary. And here we have an odd arrangement of information. So if we look at System A employee, we can see that's the annual salary, that's the monthly salary, and that is the System A's version of the employee salary. Let's have a look at this in greater detail. If I click on System A employee, this will navigate me to the details of the default action. If I look at this default action, I can see 3 columns of information. In this case, I have the common values, but I've got these other columns. This is information that is coming from different sources. Annotated here is System A and System B. And here we have employee salary. There is no common value of the employee salary, but System B has 2 pieces of information about that salary. One is the annual salary and the other is the monthly salary. System A, conversely, has simply a field called salary. Rather than losing that information and coming up with some agreed number, and who's to say System A is not correct or System B is correct, if we tried the transformation process to come up with a single value, we would lose the provenance of these 2 apparently contradictory pieces of information. Of course, once we've loaded the data, we could transform it to create an agreed upon common value without overwriting the provenance of the original data. So this way, the quorum360 allows us to collate information from multiple data sources, and using the provenance of the knowledge graph, we are able to discover the truth behind that information.